I've been waiting for this for my whole life. Bitch, this payback, bitch, this payback, bitch. Watch my mama struggle, man, my whole life. Bitch, this payback, bitch, this payback, bitch. Been in and out of trouble, man, my whole life. Bitch, this payback, bitch, but I'm alright, bitch. Just worry about your own life, bitch. This payback, bitch, this payback, bitch. Cause I've been waiting for this for my whole life.
I've been trapped in this drug game since a teen, 16 on the scene, trying to come up off some green. Getting scraps with the team, with the same broken dream. Forced to plot, forced to scheme, all for the fucking cream. I wanna scream once this nigga sees the beam. It'll surely end his dream. So much for him looking mean, nigga. It's hard work out here, watch your back and your friends will get hurt out here. Guns squirt out here, kids run in fear. Mom says, oh dear, son disappeared. It's a hard knock life and you only get one chance to get shit right.
For my